Hi, this is Caitlin Porter from the Mongoose Enablement team. Infor Mongoose has recently been named as a leader in the low-code application framework industry. In this video, I will explain what is Mongoose and will demonstrate just how easy it is to build applications within Mongoose. Nucleus Research recently released their October LCAP matrix, and in that matrix, Infor Mongoose was recognized as a leader for low-code application development. Nucleus Research defines a low-code application platform as an environment that hosts various low to no-code tools for both citizen and professional developers to build business solutions. Low and no-code tools include things such as visual drag-and-drop workflow builders, setup wizards that guide users through point-and-click processes, and simplified coding language for complex tasks. The true value of a low-code application platform lies in its ability to improve organizational agility, flexibility, and cost efficiency. So, what exactly is Mongoose? Mongoose is a rapid application development framework focused on no-code, low-code solutions. It also has the capability to further develop with a full-code developer experience. The toolsets provided can be used by both experienced developers as well as non-technical users. As a part of the Infor OS tech stack, we can further leverage pre-plumbed integrations to things like Ion, Coleman, IDM, and Data Lake. Mongoose is Infor's extensibility solution. It can provide extensibilities for any Cloud Suite product. The Mongoose framework covers an extensive range of capabilities ranging from automatic web rendering, multi-device support, flexible integration, agile cloud deployment, and a low cost of ownership. It uses a metadata-defined model for the user interface, the mid-tier business objects, and business rules to simplify processes. This metadata-driven approach makes upgrades and personalizations fast and easy. Mongoose utilizes reusable objects such as scripts, component classes, and validators. With the use of these reusable objects, you can specify certain data attributes or visual settings that can be reused throughout an application with a single point of maintenance. Mongoose applies a native reporting engine that can be used to build operational reports using the same design methodology you would use to build applications. To illustrate just how easy it is to develop in Mongoose, I'm going to demo our data maintenance wizard and form builder that will step a user through the process of building a simple solution without having to drop into code. I'm going to start with the new data maintenance wizard, which will allow me to create a table, an IDO, and a form all in one step. To do this, I can access the Runtime Builder from the toolbar and select the new Data Maintenance Wizard. Here is where I can define the table and IDO name, as well as the columns and properties that I want to be included on my table and IDO. You can see as I add properties below that I have the ability to add a property class. Property classes allow me to set certain data attributes that can be used throughout an entire application. In this example, I want to use a state property class that will automatically populate a drop list with a list of states to be used on a component on my form. Once I am done adding my properties, I'm going to hit Next and Finish to create my table and IDO. Once that process completes, Form Builder will now open so you can create your form. Here you can select from a list of predefined templates to lay out your form. I'm going to select which properties I want to be included on my form and move them over to the right. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to hit Next. I want to position the properties on my form. To do so, I'm going to hit this Position Fields button. This will allow me to select what properties I want to be displayed on what region. I'm going to place customer number, name, and phone on the first card, and then I want to move address, city, state, and postal on the second card. I also want to change my component type on my state field to be a combo box with a list of predefined states that is being inherited from the property class. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to hit Done and Finish to create my form. Now that my form has been created, it is fully functional and I can go ahead and start adding data. You can see when I get to the phone field that the field is automatically formatted based off my property class. And because I set a property class on my state field and selected the component type to be a drop list, it automatically populated my drop list with a list of states. And there you go. You have a fully functioning application without having to drop into a single line of code. Mongoose can also be used to build solutions that look and feel as a part of your current business presence. An example would be a portal, which can be an extension of your corporate webpage. In this example, you can see a portal for the Acme Corporation done inside of Mongoose. With the use of homepage widgets, you can build out a custom homepage that displays multiple different widgets all on one screen. These widgets can allow the user to drill into any data they want to see and makes it easy to create custom dashboards. Mongoose can also be used as an in-context app within the Context Apps viewer within Mingle. In-context apps allow you to augment your existing ERP with additional functionality and data. Mongoose integrates seamlessly with Infor Go. With the use of responsive design components, it allows a single page to display perfectly no matter what device you view it on. This single development approach allows you to build an entire solution regardless of the device accessing the app. Mongoose can integrate with the rest of the Infor OS suite, such as Ion Workflows, IDM, Coleman, and Data Lake. This example utilizes Ion APIs to communicate with a workflow. If you need to, Mongoose has a full designer experience available to you to further extend solutions you built utilizing our no-code, low-code solutions. With the Mongoose Designer, it makes designing applications fast and easy. You can drag and drop components on a page, specify fonts, colors, layouts, all without having to use a single line of code. Also, Mongoose has an H5 designer that allows you to make changes to your pages on the fly directly from the browser. Mongoose makes it easy for users of all levels to create beautiful applications. For more information, check out the Mongoose portal at mongoose.infor.com or check out the Infor OS YouTube channel. This is Caitlin Porter. Thanks for watching.